In this video, we will wrap up with shading by assembling final material in Blender. We have bake assembled textures, and now we need to disassemble them into individual masks. First, we will make new material and call it mouth underscore LD0. Then we can copy it on other LD meshes. Select them first, then LD0 to make it active. Then press Ctrl L and link materials. Now we can copy textures to new material. Then arrange them for easier access. Now we can grab first color mask and create separate color node. Then we can copy coloring setup from original material and connect it to the first mask. Then I'll arrange nodes vertically and add named frames to make later work easier. Now we can copy color setup for second layer. Then create RGB node, copy color from mix node and create named frame around it. Then repeat the process for third layer. Now we need to make setup for TIFF colors. Copy mix node from original material, copy separate color node and connect second mask to it. Then we will use green channel for TIFF colors. Then copy mix node, connect color setups for TIFF and gums and use red channel of second mask as factor. Then again, create RGB nodes for TIFF colors and connect them to mix node. Then create another mix color node, set it to multiply, connect color setup to color A and blue channel the second mask to color B. Now we can control amount of ambient occlusion with factor slider. Now copy separate color node and connect RSM mask to it. Then connect red channel to roughness and green channel to specular IR level. For subsurface scattering, we'll make setup similar to one in original material. First, set weight to 1. Then create another separate color and connect SS mask to it. Then create mix value node, connect red channel to factor and set value B to 2. This value depends on scale, so if you're using meters, it should be 100 times smaller. Next, duplicate mix node. Connect first on value A, connect green channel to factor and set value B to 7.5. At last, copy mix node again, connect blue channel to factor and set value B to 0.4. Then drag connection from value B of each mix node and create new value node. Place those nodes under RGB nodes, frame them and name them accordingly. Now we can move textures out of the way, connect SS setup to subsurface scale, and set subsurface method to crescents and burley. And last one, we need to add normal map node, connect normal map texture to color, and normal map to normal input of the shader. Now we can arrange nodes, create frames, and group them together. For the group, I select my material setup, excluding the inputs created earlier, and pressing Ctrl G. Now we need to arrange inputs and them accordingly. To do that, we can refer to the frames that we created earlier. When inputs of the first group renamed, we can select all nodes that we used for the settings and group them together. Then we need to rename the outputs accordingly. Then rename first group to mauve shader, set color tag to shader, and node width to 300. For second node group, set name to mauve settings, set color tag to color, and node width to 40. Now, every material that have those node groups will share their settings. What we have to do is to select LED meshes, copy and rename material according to LED level, and replace normal map texture. And now material is complete. We can freely change settings in settings group, and it will change them for all LED meshes. And now we are ready for rigging.